Another day, another English lesson. Double passives. Passive voice plus passive infinitive. Hello, everyone. Have you ever seen sentences like these and wondered how they work? The project is expected to be completed soon. Cars are known to be stolen in this neighborhood. This structure is a great tool for formal writing and speaking. Let's break it down into its two parts. Part 1. Starting with a statement in the passive voice. We often want to say what people in general think, believe, or expect, without saying who specifically. Some example passive sentence starters include, the project is expected, they are believed, or cars are known. For more on the passive voice, check out the video links in the description of this video. Part 2. The passive infinitive. The formula for the passive infinitive is simple: to be plus past participle. For example, to be completed, to be spoken, or to be built. So, instead of the active infinitive to complete, the passive infinitive is to be completed. For more information on the passive infinitive, check out the video link in the description. Now we connect Part 1 with Part 2. General statement, passive verb, plus main action, passive infinitive. For example, the project is expected to be completed by Friday. Cars are known to be stolen in this neighborhood. Double passives are very common in news, reports, and professional communication because they sound objective and focuses on the facts. By mastering double passives, you can make your English sound more advanced and polished. Now, complete the sentences with the present passive voice and the passive infinitive of the verbs in parentheses. The verbs are not always in the correct order. One. The new library is scheduled to be opened next month. Two. The escaped lion is believed to be located in the park. Three. The historic old building is not allowed to be torn down. Four. Bacteria are known to be killed by penicillin. Five. This crown is reported to be stolen from the museum. Six. All applicants are required to be interviewed by the manager. Seven. The new sports car is said to be designed by a famous engineer. 8. The files are not permitted to be removed from this office. 9. The novel The Little Prince is said to be translated into 300 languages. 10. The new policy is expected to be announced this afternoon. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.